How to permanently remove or unlink Google Voice from your Google account. First of all, open Google Voice on your device or go to voice.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Once signed in, tap the menu icon and select Settings. Scroll down to the section labeled Account or Link Numbers. To permanently remove your Google Voice number, look for the option that says Delete or Unlink Number and tap on it. Confirm your choice by following the prompts. Keep in mind that deleting your Google Voice number is permanent and you won't be able to recover that number afterward. If you want to unlink a number instead, it will stop forwarding calls and messages to that number, but your Google Voice account will remain active. Once you remove or unlink your number, your Google Voice account will no longer be associated with that phone number. Now you know how to permanently remove or unlink Google Voice from your Google account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.